Hello XD Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great day and a great week. So today I'm gonna be doing another fire alarm collection video of June 2020. So yeah, because I got two new alarms here. So yeah, I got this and I got that and that. So yeah. So anyways, let's go through the alarms. So yeah. So anyways, first we have my Spectrular Classic horn strobe. The model number is P1224MC. So, yep. And right next we have my System Sensor P2RA. Well, my Spectrular Advanced P2RA. So, yep, so, well, okay, I got the mounting bracket off. So, yeah, well, anyways, we'll just put the mounting brackets on the pillow. So, yeah. Anyways, so the model number is P2RA, so yeah. And right next we have my Spectrular Advanced SW. The model number is just SW, pretty simple. So yeah. Right next we have my Spectrular Advanced Mini Horn. The model number is MHRZA, so yeah. And next we have one of my Spectrular Advanced speaker strobes in white. So yeah, the model number is SPSWVA. So yeah. And well, anyways, that's just the same thing. So let's go through the red one. Next off, we have my Spectrular Advanced speaker strobe in red. The model number is SPSRVA. So yeah. Then right next, and we have, you all know what this is, the bootleg Spectrular, also known as the fake alert. So, yeah. What is the model number on this thing? Okay, I don't think this thing has a model number, so whatever. Anyways, next we have my Wheelock RSS strobe. The model number is RSSWP-2475W. Okay. And then right next we have my EST Genesis horn strobe. The model number is, okay, let's see, G1R-HDVM. So yeah. Next we have my Mercom fire alarm bell. The model number is BL-6A. So yeah. Next off we have one of my Mercom pull stations. The model I'm not gonna pull it down. I do know the model number. The model number is MS-401. So yeah. And then that's just the same thing. So yeah, just like with the speaker strobe, that's just the same thing. So anyways, next we have a BRK smoke detector. So yeah. Okay, what's the model number on this thing? Okay, so the model number is STD S531, I guess. So yeah. So now we have my EST Genesis speaker strobe ceiling mount. So yeah. Okay, well, anyways, this thing is cheap, so I can just open it up without using a screwdriver. So yeah, anyways, the model number is GCWA-S7 VMHA. So yeah, now anyways, I'll just shut this thing back open. This thing is cheap. So yeah. And last but not least, we have my Edwards Integrity strobe. So yeah, the model number is, okay, what's the model number on this thing? Oh, there it is. The model number is MS-7AW. So yeah. Well, anyways, so Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go put all these things in groups. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go put all my system sensor devices over here. So yeah, I have lots of system sensor devices. So yeah, okay, then here we go. Yep, we got, okay, like, and then here we have this one. So yeah. Does this count as system sensor devices? I don't think so. Anyways, let's just leave it there. Also, I'm gonna put all the EST alarms in another row. So, yep, so here, and then here, and then here. So yeah, those are all my EST alarms. So yeah, and also I have lots of Mercom devices. So yeah, so I'm also gonna put all the Mercom devices over here. So yeah, my Mercom bell, and also these 2 pole stations. So, well, yeah. Anyways, these 3 could just sit here. So yeah, since they don't really have any other alarms made by the same company as they are, so yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. So yeah, anyways, guys, peace out. So bye-bye.